So hello there guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. Now, this version, like the tool that I gonna show today, is really specific to the testers. Okay, and specifically for web testers who use Playwright or Puppeteer. And you may ask, what is that Playwright or Puppeteer or that kind of thing? So basically, what I know so far, where have I seen? I will just tell you that in that Google Chrome developer tool, we have a new kind of place that is Puppeteer, I think. Okay, so here what you can do, you can like continue your steps, like continue doing some job in your application and record all of those steps as script. Okay, now you can send the same script to your colleague or to another taster, and he or she will be able to like play that script in Puppeteer and run the same functions again. Okay, this is what this do, what I have seen so far. Okay, this is my idea. This is the idea I'm having. This is not my idea, this is the idea I'm having. Okay, so today I have kind of a tool that is a Chrome extension that can effortlessly create those scripts for you without using that Google's tool. Okay, Google's built-in tool. Now, why you might use that? I really have no other uh, proposition for it rather than it's being more intuitive and useful. In what sense? In sense that you don't have to create like open up your developer tool on the side of your desktop screen or whatever. So you can obviously seamlessly try both desktop and mobile screen without compromising your screen size and ratio, and you can like start like use it effortlessly. Okay, so let me share the tool now. Okay, so here is our today's tool, and you can see its name is deploy central slash, and deploys in deploycentral.com. It is specifically recorder, and here you can see generate Playwright and Puppeteer test for from recording your browser interactions. So it's simply a like simple extension that you can see over here, and you can like have a multiple kind of thing recorded over here as well. Okay, so let's try recording on. I have already like get downloaded the extension, and let's try it on Unsplash. Okay, so what I will first do is click on this extension, click on start recording. So it will record every move of mine. So what will I do? I will click on this, and suppose I'm subs abs cp abstract. I'm searching it. I entered enter, and now scrolling down a bit, now selecting this photo and maybe zooming it, and that's it. I needed that much of portion. Okay, so what I'll simply do, I will click on end recording, and here you can see I got my whole script over here. The script is like generated smoothly. I didn't have to do anything in here. You can see I can click on show code and click on steps as well. So here are the steps right now, and here if I want to show code, and here if I want to choose Puppeteer or Playwright. So it supports both of them, but I don't know which one is for what. I am a little bit confused about that, so I am obviously accepting that that I obviously don't know both of them. But yeah, we have both of them, Puppeteer and Playwright, and you can simply copy code from here. Now paste it wherever you want, and that's basically about it, about this plugin. This is this much simple. Okay, so yeah, basically that's it from my side about this plugin. Now it is, I have already said, it is specifically useful for the testers, application testers, or whomever you want to like send the test, like test script to, for your application, so they can run it and see what is the interaction with the website. Or maybe we can actually do a lots of things with it that is coming in my mind. I will share that to you later. Okay. So that's about it about this whole plugin kind of thing. I really loved it. Will I be using it? Eventually, I have to, because yes, I am developing my own application. When my application for which I obviously need testings like this, so I will be obviously using it. So yeah, basically that's it for this video. That's it for this plugin. Please use it and let me know if you like this plugin or not, if it's useful for you or not. And rather than that, if you like my channel in general, like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great tools like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can explore them first of all, and then if I like it, I will share them to with you as well. So that's it. Bye for now.